Ginisang Sigarilyas. Sigarilyas. Slice like this. Around 2 cups. Heat oil in a pan. Sauté garlic until golden brown. Add the onions, sauté until soft. Add soy sauce. Add water in the sardines can. Add the sardine sauce. Season with ground pepper. Salt according to your taste. Add the sigarilyas. Cover and cook for 3 minutes. Add the sardines. Cover and simmer for another 1 minute. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, share and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Serve hot with warm rice. Share and enjoy.